Target higpitan ng DSWD ang sistema sa pamamahagi ng ayuda. Ayon kay DSWD spokesperson Assistant Secretary Erin Dumlao, aayusin nila ang manual payouts para matiyak na walang ghost beneficiaries na makatatanggap ng tulong. Kinukonsidera rin nila ang paggamit ng e-wallets para mas mabilis at mas ligtas na distribusyon ng ayuda.
One of which is ensuring a more strengthened coordination with our partners, and then using queuing system so that we cater to the drivers per batch. And of course, we're pursuing the adoption of the digital systems where we will be using electronic wallets. But we will do so once we're already confident with the list of drivers. Because as it is, there's no master list of drivers, and this having manual payouts is the way for us to verify and assure the program that we are not serving ghost beneficiary.
Samantala, tiniyak din ni Dumlao na tututukan nila ang mga OFW na nakauwi na ng bansa mula sa gitnang silangan. Maglalaan sila ng sustainable livelihood programs para makatulong sa kanilang pagsisimula.
This is particularly for those overseas Filipino workers who have already returned to their respective provinces, and we've profiled them and we've assessed for sustainable livelihood program because some would prefer to stay here in the country and just work on some livelihood activities. So we're helping them in that aspect.